Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. This is going to be a short video and we are discussing three skills that you can use to become a future proof project manager. Now, it is the holiday season and I must greet you for that, but it is also that time of the year when people start to plan for the next year. How do you grow in your current role? That is something many people do plan, or should I say, must plan. How do we realize our potential? How do we become more valuable to our organization? Basically, how do we stay ahead in the game? Now, earlier we did cover a PMI report. It was called the Project Manager of the Future, and I'll share the link in the description below if you want to go over the videos of that report, covering that report. But here are the three skills that you must hone to become a future proof project manager. Number one is strategize. Now, more than ever, project managers today are helping out with setting up the strategic direction of organizations, delivering projects that converge to the strategic goals. Doing that requires an understanding of the bigger picture. As a project manager, you must be strong enough to take tough decisions on project delivery, halting the ones that aren't suitable and advocating the ones that meet the organization's strategic goal. Number two is communication skills. Now, communication isn't a skill that is going away anytime soon. We recently covered communication as part of the 11 skills, must have skills, critical skills for project managers. I'll share a link to that video as well in the description below. Now, communication skills, like I said, is not something that is definitely going away anytime soon. With the ever increasing set of communication tools, it is one area that the project managers must excel at. Long gone are the days when communication was just in person or over formal emails. Today, you must understand how to communicate online on your company's social media platform too. Be it up and down the organizational hierarchy and inside or outside the organization, communication is definitely the king. Finally, the ability to sell. That's the third point. Taken. Your organization is not going to ask you to sell, but sales is not just selling a product. How would you advocate for the resources that your project needs without being able to sell the importance of your project? Consider the first point about strategizing that we just discussed and think again. How are you going to achieve that without sales skills? So that is all that we had in this quick video. Tell me, what are some of the skills you would add to this list? Or what do you think the project managers need to become future proof? Do hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel. We are all about project management. Hit the bell icon so that you stay notified. And don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource. Thank you.